Just a quick overview about Sim Suture, Sim Vivo, surgical learning systems and simulation supplies. We use this during our training for our nurse practitioner program. This is pretty good. It's pretty sturdy. Has that foam like that's down here, and it has all the rubber on top. It is thicker than normal skin, but it is good practice with the layout they have over here. They have different layouts that you can go and follow. They also have a lot of videos that kind of show you step by step on each one of these on how to really suture. Obviously, it's going to be a practice format. There is other knockoff brands out there which are pretty useful also, but I just like the layout of this one, how it looks, how sturdy it is, and how it just feels much better. Other than that, it comes with all the other kits that are inside of it. They do have sutures and other stuff from there. I've used this a couple times already during my stimulation and stuff, and it held up pretty well. It's good to reuse it and stuff. It's not a sponsored video, just kind of just an overview of what I thought about this. I really liked how everything was just laid out with this, but I like how it comes with the videos that show you how to suture from here. So here, I'll just show you the thickness of it. So you can easily go in and then just grab right on there, but you can also easily prick the skin too, so that's the only thing. So it's kind of like lifelike, but it is rubber in the end. So if you just go in from one side to another, you're pretty much gonna have no difficulty. You can with your suture kit and everything, you can easily glide across the other side and pretty much glide everything right through, as you can see. Other than that, I like it overall. Has all the information here, has a little packet, has all the information for each suture. It tells you the videos, instructions on here, has a little brief overview from here. Well, overall, just a quick basic review about this. I would highly recommend it. If not, any other type of brand still works out well for suturing. All you need is just pretty much the practice kit and just going from there and learning the techniques. And after that, everything's just basic routine on suturing from there. Other than that, comment, like, subscribe, let me know if you guys have used this one or you guys recommend any other ones to check out. I still need to get down to practicing suturing, getting from there, and probably have more videos on demonstration for suturing. But peace.